Hello. Okay, so um, I'm about to vacuum. I don't know. About to vacuum right there and right there because I don't know if you heard, but in the last video, I said my window broke. It's replaced now, and I just got cut by a tiny piece of glass. I'll show you the cut. Right there. I put hydrogen peroxide on it and all that stuff, and it's still bleeding. But yeah, I'm gonna have to vacuum right there. So I'll just show you a little bit of vacuuming. So I have this. I actually just but first, wait, I need to plug it in. Okay. I don't even care if they fall over. There. Okay, I don't care. Okay, so this is so hard and confusing. I don't care anymore. No. Okay. I turn the power on. I have a feeling it's gonna be way too loud, and for the video, so I'll just vacuum and then I'll come back to the video. So I'll see you in just a second. Okay. Okay. So I literally just got done vacuuming, so I'm gonna put it away. I'm trying to take this thing off. Okay. Okay. Then. Okay, well. Okay. Okay, I'll be right back. This is very. Okay, I'll just be right back. So I decided that I'll show you my filming area. I mean, I'm already in it. It's just my regular room. But, I mean, I'll show you anyway. It's not big and it is dirty, but it's seriously not that dirty. I mean, I just went on vacation for 3 days and I couldn't record because I'm not really that used to recording in front of like 5 people. I'm not really comfortable recording like a few. I was gonna record but I was just like, and it wasn't really much to record either. But I mean, oh, but here's my filming area. It's not this dirty, okay? A lot of this is actually clean. I just forget about that. It's actually not this dirty all the time. I don't know why it's all messed up, but it is. I actually just put it right here. Then I just like, and then I have this chair, and then, okay then. And then I just put it right here. And then I just put hello. So yeah, that's my filming room. Well, my filming area. But yeah. I don't really know what else to do. It's been like 4 minutes. This will probably be the end of that. I don't know. Well, I mean, that'll be the end of this video. Hope you enjoyed. and goodbye. One.